What do you need to know if you've been placed on probation by a court in Alabama? Well, if you've been placed on probation, that means, of course, you've either pled guilty or been found guilty of some sort of crime. So you have a conviction. But a judge doesn't have to impose the fullest punishment on you, as you hopefully already know. A judge can do something less. And oftentimes what a judge will do is he'll impose some sort of a sentence. It might be jail, it might be prison, but the judge will then suspend that sentence and put you on probation. There are two basic types of probation. One of those types of probation is what's called supervised probation, and the other type is unsupervised probation. Unsupervised probation means the judge simply says to you, look, go in peace, don't get in any trouble for a set period of time. If you can, do what I've told you to do, whether it's paying fines and not getting in trouble for that period of time, when you're done, the case is over. It doesn't mean you don't have a conviction when the case is over. You still have a conviction, but you haven't gone to jail, you haven't had any further consequences. Now, the other type of probation, which is more common, is supervised probation. Apparently the ducks in the background are on supervised probation. I hear them quacking away. Supervised probation means that you must comply with certain terms and you have to report into a probation officer. Your probation officer essentially acts as a stand-in for the judge. The probation officer does the work that the judge would otherwise do as far as supervising you and making sure that you do whatever the judge has told you to do. And those things typically include things like, getting counseling or paying fines or restitution or court costs and other things. If you don't do what the judge has told you to do by order of probation, then you're in some sort of trouble. They may ask for a probation revocation, and if that happens, it could result in anything from as little as a few days in jail to as much as the imposition of your original sentence. Obviously, when you're on probation, you need to do what your probation officer tells you. I always tell people, whether you like it or not, you have to treat that probation officer with the same level of respect that you would the judge. At any rate, I hope you find these videos to be helpful and informative. If you're in a legal jam and you need our help, just give us a call. Our contact information is below. I'm Andy Siegel. Thank you for watching.